Here today we're going to be testing the UT3 in Toledo. We got the car all set up. There's the new UT3 motor. Here's another shot of it. And we're getting it installed in the car and we're ready to test. Here we are doing some hot laps. It's really cold today. It's only 48 degrees out, so we're having a hard time getting the car to stick, but we're still getting good data. And now it's time to see what we got. We're comparing numbers from the senior Honda to the heavy Honda, and Baker's getting the data he needs to adjust the motor. We also competed in their race program and took first place in heavy Honda.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.